Hi there, Paula. I just wanted to share with you um, a little bit about the data science, data analytic assignment that I was thinking about. I thought it would just be easier to show you what I was thinking about. So for the second assignment, I suggested that maybe we try having the students use publicly available data, especially the New York City Health COVID data set that is freely available on the NYC Gov website. So if you go to the NYC Health website, they have a section here, data. If you select data, they have a long list of different kinds of data available. And so when you go to data, you see the data that's available COVID. And so then if you click on this link right here, download our data and technical notes on GitHub, it is a repository of all of the data sets available to from the very beginning in like March, tracking a lot of different kinds of information. And so if we just click on one of these folders, you can see what I'm talking about. There's detection of antibodies by age, by borough, by economic level, by age, many different factors. And so here's where I was suggesting that maybe students explore, one of these data sets and see what kind of visualizations that they can come up with. Let's just see if I can just choose on one file. And so here's an example of what one of the data's sheets look like. And this data set is really great because there are files that accompany these data sets to explain which each one of these headers means. So I think this would be a really good experience for the students, but of course, it's totally up to you.